Hello students, the next lesson which we will be seeing is a lesson for Nakul written by Neela Subramanian. Okay, so in this lesson they have not given in detail about the author. Okay, so let us move on to the lesson. What the author has been described about is the what are the attitudes, a good attitude gives a success in a human life, right? So what are the positive attitudes, the goal, without any egoness we can succeed in our life, right? So let us move on to the lesson, what it has been given over here. So the boys of class 6 came out of the exam hall. So here the author has been narrated one story related to the boys of class 6th. Okay. So let us go and see what the attitude of the student had been given over here. How did the max paper go? Asked Akash, who was waiting outside. So, I finished all the problems, though it was quite a tussle. Tussle means nothing but struggle. They have struggle in solving those problems. Replied Tarun, the monitor of the class. So, this was said by Tarun, who is the monitor of the class, that is leader. Nakul came in just then. He looked depressed. So Nakul is on one more character who just came at that moment and he looked very depressed. Depressed means sad. So for what reason he was, we will see in this. What's up, Nakul? Max is your favorite subject. Akash was surprised. So this was asked by Akash to Nakul. Okay. So I decided to answer the tough problems first and leave the easy one for the last 10 minutes. But they took more time than I expected. So I couldn't finish two questions, Nakul replied. So for this is the reason why Nakul was very sad. Why? Because he thought that he could answer the tough problems first and then he finish off the easy problems at the last 10 minutes, but what happened, he couldn't finish two questions. Okay, so this was the reason for his sadness. Never mind, it's not the final exam. Write faster next time or set your watch 10 minutes ahead so that you can answer all the questions. Akash consoled him. Consoling means supporting him. Okay, at the time of grief or making sympathy for him. Okay, ha, it's easy to say that as you don't have to worry, Nakul retorted. So retorted meaning to reply angrily to someone. Okay, so he was saying that you just don't say anything as he is not going to worry. Akash was a new boy. He had joined the boarding school almost at the end of the first term. So Akash was new to that boarding school. When the room was silent that night, Akash woke up suddenly. He looked at the next bed and saw that Nakul was awake. So everyone was sleeping at the night. At most, what happened? Akash woke up and he saw that Nakul was awake at that time. What's the matter? Akash whispered. So whispering means talking in a very silent, slow voice. I have made a terrible mistake, Nakul said. So what's the mistake? Asked Akash. I am sure I have forgotten something. I think I have either written my name or my roll number on the Max answer script. Nakul mumbled dejectedly. Mumbling means talking in a very low voice, okay? And dejected means nothing but he was very depressed, another meaning for depression. Okay, sad, he was saying. So what he is saying, he just is saying that he has forgotten to write his name or the roll number in the Max answer sheet. Oh, is that all? I thought something awful had happened. Awful is nothing but extremely bad. So for Akash is saying that he thought that something has happened. So this is the matter. You leave it. We will just go and see. So he's saying that look, it's just 9:30. Sir is sure to be up. So he says that sir won't have been not sleeping at this time. So we will go and talk to him. You can explain what's wrong. So you are coming too? Thanks. Nakul looked relieved as the two boys crept out of the room and walked to the master's study. So what happened? They both were going to talk to the master now. Mr. Verghese, was startled to see him and listened to Nakul's stammered explanation. So he was very much stunned to see those boys coming at that time, and Nakul was very stammered. Stammered means nothing but saying something with difficulty or with unusual pause, they will say, right? So he unlocked a drawer and went through the answer scripts. So what the sir did, Mr. Varghese, he unlocked, that is, opened the drawer, and he gone through the answer scripts, and that is the answer papers. You have written your name and roll number, Nakul. You panicked unnecessarily. He watched them leave his room. So what happened? He was searching for his paper and he saw that he has written his name as well as the roll number. And he says that he was unnecessarily panic about that situation. Panic means he just got fear for that situation. And just what happened? He watched them so that they left the room. Soon the exams were behind them, and the next event the boys looked forward to was the school's annual day. So, as the exams were finishing off, the next one was the annual day, the school's annual day. Okay, so what happened? As Nakul was tall and well built for his age, the master chose him to play an important role in a drama. So, what happened? So, as Nakul was very tall, he was given a important role in a drama to play. Okay, help! I have got to learn so many lines. Nakul groaned. Groaned is nothing but making a deep, inarticulate sound, that is, which conveys the pain, that is, he is not able to memorize the lines. Okay, so I will help you to practice till you are word perfect. Akash grinned. Grinned means nothing but he smiled. He says this and he smiled towards Nakul. Nakul was glad for this generous offer, and with Akash constant rehearsals soon learned his lines. So after saying this, Nakul was very much generous, means the helpful nature. Okay, the willingness to offer the help from Akash made him very much perfect, and doing so much rehearsals he can learn those lines. I hope I won't forget the words. Nakul looked tense before the curtains went up. So Nakul was very much tensed. Don't worry, the words will come to you easily, Akash encouraged. So Akash was saying, you don't worry, you will do your best. To his surprise, Nakul found that he actually enjoyed his role. So what happened? He made that and he did the best. Who? Nakul. Okay. Thanks, Akash. You're a real gem, he said warmly. You're a real gem means nothing but saying that you are very helpful. Okay, so this is one of the idiom. Okay. I am glad I could help you, Akash replied. So he is saying that he is very much happy to help him. The next day, the students were taken to a picnic spot. So now, where they are going? They were going for a picnic. It's sure to rain. Nakul grumbled gloomily. So what happened? When they were starting, Nakul started to say that it will sure rain. So he was grumbling. Grumbling means nothing but he was complaining in a sad mood. Okay, no, it won't. The sun will come out soon and the day will be fine, Akash declared and looked at Nakul. So what happened? Akash was saying that no, the sun will come out and it will be fine and it won't rain. By looking to Nakul, he was saying this. Why do you always look at the dark side of things? He said. So Akash is asking to Nakul that why you wanted to always say look at the dark side. Dark side is nothing but always thinking about the negative side. Okay. Don't be a wet blanket all the time. So that means wet blanket, a phrase which means that a person who spoils other people's pleasure. Okay, so he just asking him why you wanted to spoil the other people's pleasure. Okay, Nakul felt annoyed, that means he was angry at this situation and walked away to join the other boys, leaving who? Akash. Okay, so he refused to admit that Akash judgment was correct as usual. So what happened? The day was fine and the rain didn't come, and as usual the Akash judgment was correct at that time. The day did turn out to be fine. In spite of this, Nakul found himself unable to enjoy the outing. So because he was not satisfied with the Akash judgment, right? So he was not enjoying the picnic. Was it because of his tiff with Akash that he found himself unable to enjoy the outing? Thought Nakul, who was hidden behind some rocks as he overheard his masters talking. So he was thinking, the Nakul was thinking that why he was not able to enjoy the outing, because he may be jealous of Akash. So he was thinking in his mind, and he was hidden behind some rocks as he heard someone talking. Most probably his masters were talking. So let us see what they were talking.